Today I'm going to show you how to create a video like this, which has a festive vibe and gives you the opportunity to showcase your products as the perfect gift for loved ones. The first thing you're going to want to do is download our app Life Lapse, which is available on iOS and Android. When you get set up to start your recording, make sure that you do have your auto lock set to never so it doesn't switch off during the capturing of your photos. I'm using an Godox SL60W Lite with a softbox attached. There'll be a link in the description as well as links to other videos for alternative lighting options. These are the props I used. Besides the charms and the Bluetooth remote, everything you see is available either from your local dollar store or craft store. To get started, you're going to want to open up the Life Lapse app and click the big blue plus sign at the bottom of the screen. As you can see, I did already have my scene set up, and what I'm just doing is lining up my phone to the scene itself below. You can't see it in any of the shots, but my phone is being placed on a book which is sitting on a coffee table and looking down onto the scene, which is on the floor. So I've got my scene set up. I've put the Instagram square overlay on. So once everything's set up and in place, you can go ahead and lock the white balance, focus and exposure so none of this changes while you're capturing each shot. I also have turned off the flash so that it doesn't accidentally go off with any of the shots. And then from here, basically what I'm doing is each time I'm taking 2 photos because I want that little bit of a pause before I remove anything from the scene. Take 2 photos. I'm removing the wooden block and charm and replacing it with a bigger present. I also have the ghost feature turned on so that I can make sure that my alignment is good when I'm putting the present on the scene. Once I have all my shots, I'm opening up the editor portion. Has a lot of features. Some are pro and some are part of the free version. I get started by resizing my video so that is the square size. Then I'm going to rotate my video so that it is facing up the correct way. From here, I can change the brightness. I increase the brightness a little bit, decrease the warmth, and increase the saturation. Because I want to try to get a tighter crop of my video, I go into the tilt function and I can pinch and move or zoom in to get that tighter crop. I also need to reverse the video. I'm not sure if I previously mentioned this, but I did shoot this in reverse. It wasn't particularly necessary for this video, but I did end up shooting it in reverse, so I do need to hit that reverse button. I can also duplicate some frames. I duplicated the first frame a couple of times just to have a little bit of a pause effect at the beginning. And then I did freeze it at the end so that you can freeze it for 1, 2, or 3 seconds. But I used that so that you could see the charms all in the scene. You can also change the speed. If you have the pro version of the app, you'll have access to royalty-free music and sound effects. As you can see, I go through the holiday themed ones so that I can select some music that I like to put in the video. Before I show you the final stop motion video, I just want to show you what it looks like if you only have it playing one way. Which means when Instagram loops it, it's going to go back to just showing the presents at the beginning. So your best bet is actually for this kind of video is to boomerang it so that it looks like it's an endless loop.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this free tutorial and you want a chance to win $100 to Amazon, which is, by the way, where we buy most of our stop motion gear, please leave us a review in the Apple App Store sharing what you love most about Life Lapse. These reviews help us out a lot, and we select a winner each month to get $100 USD to Amazon. All you have to do is go to the Apple App Store, search Life Lapse, scroll down, and then click write a review. Share what you love most about Life Lapse, screenshot it, and then DM it to us on Instagram. This will take you no longer than a minute. You'll be helping us out a ton, and you'll have a chance to win $100. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can be the first to know when we release new stop motion tutorials.